Namaskar. Today I am taking this opportunity to share my views, thoughts, values, and virtues on the basis of which the concept resort, namely Siddhi Binayak Knowledge Enclave, come into place. It is a dream come to true, but lot of things need to be accomplished in the coming future. It is a dedication and devotion towards giving back to the society what I have achieved, what I have received during my lifetime till date. I want to dedicate all those things, whether it is knowledge, whether it is resource, whether it is money, towards development of Sri Siddhi Binayak Knowledge Enclave. Sri Siddhi Binayak Knowledge Enclave is a knowledge village, and basically, in modern terms, I can call it as a knowledge resort. This is a place where people can come, they can learn something, they can enjoy the nature, they can enjoy with pleasure with family, friends, relatives, all these things, and most importantly, they will go back to home with a smile in their face. Nowadays, as all of you know, the life becomes more stressful, so we need leisure, we need pleasure for some time, so that we can get relaxed and go back to home and go back to office and start over again. So Siddhivinayak Knowledge Enclave is just here to rejuvenate you, to give some sort of energy so that you can give a new kick to your life in the coming days. Siddhivinayak Knowledge Enclave has several wings, and the two most important wings of Siddhivinayak Knowledge Enclave are: one, Kaivalya Siddhidham, the devotional village, and two, Kutum Farmhouse Resort, the resort to make you happy, to bring pleasure in your life. Kaivalya Siddhidham, the devotional village, is first of its kind in India, and it has five wings. The five wings are wings for wellness and wings for happiness. The five wings of Kaivalya Siddhidham are: 1. Yoga, 2. Meditation, 3. Kirtan, 4. Sankirtan, and 5. Satsang. Now, we all are involved in some sort of physical exercise for the wellness of our health. We go to gym, we regularly involve in walking, jogging, etc. and etc. So if the same thing again I load back to you in a new place where you are going for some sort of leisure, for some sort of development, then again the boring will come back to you. So the concept is that bringing Vedic thoughts to human value, to bring humanism, to develop the humanitarian values, so that some sort of enjoyment and some sort of newness will be experienced by the people visiting Sri Siddhivinayak Knowledge Enclave. Now, my friends, yoga, the minimum yoga a normal human being requires to keep himself healthy, that will teach in Kaivalya Siddhidham. Similarly, meditation is the key to happiness. Meditation is the key to reinvent ourselves. So there are several modules through which you can meditate and you can reinvent yourself. Now, my friends, do you know Kirtan is the biggest exercise? Kirtan can be the biggest physical exercise, and it will be a conglomerate for spiritual development and physical wellness that we want to bring when you will visit Kaivalya Siddhidham. Sankirtan bring peace in mind, and Satsang make you aware with different Hinduism thoughts, values, and virtues, and bring people together, people with equal mind together for overall development. So these are the 5 weeks. Similarly, when you visit Kaivalya Siddhidham, you will see that there are 4 steps for getting success in life. The 4 steps are: 1. Shraddha, 2. Sankalp, 3. Sadhana, and 4. सिद्धि. तो सिद्धि प्राप्ति के लिए, ट्रू सक्सेस के लिए हमको ये 4 सीढ़ी से जाना पड़ेगा. ये 4 सीढ़ी है. पहला श्रद्धा, श्रद्धा के साथ आप किसी भी एक काम को हाथ में लीजिए, उसके बाद उसके लिए संकल्पबद्ध होइए, उसके बाद साधना कीजिए। जो लॉर्ड कृष्णा ने बोला है, साधना एक ऐसा रास्ता है जिसमें आपको पता चलेगा कि कर्म कर्म के लिए करना होगा, कर्म पैसा के लिए या फल की आशा लेकर नहीं करना चाहिए। सो व्हेन यू वर्क फॉर वर्क सेक यू गेट द रियल सक्सेस, एंड थ्रू साधना, थ्रू डेडिकेशन, डिवोशन एंड सेक्रीफाइसिंग एवरीथिंग इन द feet of the Lord will bring siddhi or the real success to your life. These are the 4 steps of success in humanism or bringing humanism values. So that is all about Kaivalya Siddhida. Kutum research showcases, Kutum farmhouse research in fact showcases one, organic farming, where you will learn and you will experience organic farming, and 2, there you can stay in a natural environment surrounded by mountains. 3, you can wish any type of food, whether it is seafood or whether it is any vegetarian food that you need, you can get all those foods, and you can most importantly visit the most secret places of Odisha, where you can experience the real Odisha and you can experience the secrets of Odisha. This is for today. Later on, we'll again continue it. Thank you. I am Swapnam Gaddas, the promoter of Sri Siddhi Vinayak Knowledge Enclave. Thank you again.